Want to stop YouTube videos from playing automatically while scrolling on your iPhone? Autoplay can drain your data, waste battery life, and keep videos playing while you don't want them to. So in this video, I'll show you how to turn off autoplay on YouTube feed while scrolling on iPhone. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. So to turn it off, open your YouTube app, then go to your profile at the lower right. Then up here, click Settings. Scroll down. Under Video Audio Preferences, select Playback. Next, select these playback feeds. You'll have three options: the always on, Wi-Fi only, and turn off. It's better that we turn it off. So that's it. When you scroll on your YouTube feeds, videos will no longer autoplay. So that's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.